Et moi aussi, je peux avoir un petit, je peux avoir un peu de... Un peu de sandwich. Oh, merci.
You're a menace.
Allez, prochain épisode. Je suis dégoûté. Envie de pleurer. Allez. Faut qu'on le récupère. Il faut qu'on le récupère absolument. On veut pas fabriquer des méchants, nous. OMG. Je suis trop deg. Ouh. C'est le retour de la censure moche, là. Allez, Invisi Girl. On se fait kiffer. T'as bien raison. Ah non, elle est pas toute seule. Ou alors c'est lui qu'elle imagine. Non, elle était pas toute seule. What? Ah, ok. Je crois qu'elle avait pas prévu de kiffer sur lui, hein. Je vais rallumer la lumière, hein, même si elle est un peu forte. Ma tête là. Je comprends pas que la molette elle fonctionne plus pour régler. Enfin bref, pardon. Moi je veux pas sortir avec elle. Je veux nous amener là. Mais... C'est Sonar.
Oh, that was a great prank. Oh my god.
Ah non, c'est eux?
She was tight with so
Bah oui.
never understood why.
Mais oui, en plus ils avaient la synergie.
That's a thing, right? Like Richie stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, best to keep an eye on her.
J'ai envie de revenir en arrière. Hein.
Cutting one of them is now you gotta deal with their pissy friends poisoning the rest of the team.
I don't know. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe we should have given more of a shot.
Oui.
Nah, they're all soft.
Mais
That's why I
si.
would have cut them all. Starting with that asshole. Why's she staring at you? Don't you got some work to do?
Don't you got some dementia to onset?
That one stung a little. Hey, Blazer's looking at backfilling your open spot with Phenomenon or Waterboy. You should think about who you'd want.
One of them is the poster boy of SDN and the other guy pukes water. What am I missing?
We now go live to the 405 where an unusual scene is unfolding.
Ah mais oui, il s'est fait larguer. Il est en full dep.
It's rough.
Et ça c'est Waterboy qui vomit. Pour nettoyer, bien sûr.
Hey, I was watching that. Oh, sorry.
Looks like there's no wrong answer.
Mais moi je veux récupérer Sonar, je veux aucun de ces deux-là.
Good thing, 'cause
En
there's
plus
no
il était
reason
bien
anyone
avec
gave you a sorry
Machinette.
All right, it wasn't that funny.
J'ai caché les sgegos.
Protopulse test 7, pilot ready. We good out there?
All good.
Talk, I can hear you.
Oh, we good. All you, Mecha Man.
System power. Locomotion. Complex locomotion.
Levels are stable. We onto something, bro. This is it. This is gonna be it.
The jumping jack.
Okay, we passed the PE class.
My best subject.
Ah. Oula.
Oh!
Oh.
Protopulse test 7.
Fail.
No worries. We'll get there.
Royd, what is all this stuff?
Whole network expect me to process all the confiscated stuff. Cause we the bottom branch for SDN, we catch all kind of shit work.
J'arrive pas à me remettre de... Sonar. J'ai un peu envie de pleurer. Elle lui mate son petit boule.
We take one bad guy stuff and use them for catch the other bad guy. Only good thing, a lot of upgrade possibilities.
You ever jerk off in this thing?
You low, Vizzy.
I mean, obviously you have, right? I should really be asking how often.
Hey, come on. I gotta work on this.
All the time, actually.
Bro.
I like to bust after every big bust, you know, and I was pretty successful, so you can imagine.
Sounds like loads of fun.
You two got one weird energy going on, huh? Can you handle this HR violation some other place? I got work, yeah?
Robert was just leaving.
I can do this all day.
That's gonna be tough, because Blazer sent me to get you like half an hour ago, so...
Ah.
Ouh.
Shit. Blazer, sorry. You know what? I can come back.
Oh no, don't worry. I got this thing tonight, and they were supposed to send the dress yesterday. This isn't why you're here, but can you zip me up? It's not mine, by the way. They make me wear it, and it's back in the bag by midnight.
Hey. C'est l'épisode sexy là, qu'est-ce qui se passe?
happening today? The thing you're going to.
SDN sponsoring a dinner gala thing. Radiant Valor, a night of triumph.
Why does that sound like a propaganda rally? There.
Thank you. Yeah, it does kind of sound like some sort of fascist-themed prom. What do you think?
Excusez-moi, Sophie Marceau.
They were making alterations all morning.
No
Oh,
cause
je lui
for
dis.
alarm, but a little bit of your areola is out. It's like a slight
Areola.
shift.
Oh, I don't think I've heard someone say areola out loud before.
It doesn't come up a ton now.
All right, for real now. How do I look? The breakup story is out, so I might be getting more attention
Pretty, I
than I'm
guess.
comfortable with.
You look kind of medium pretty, I guess.
Kinda medium pretty, you son of a bitch. That's the meanest thing anyone's ever said to me.
So I just have a thing against obviously gorgeous women fishing for compliments.
Elle se souvient
Wasn't
beaucoup de choses.
fishing for compliments.
J'aime pas ça.
Asking about the dress.
Je l'aime pas, elle. Je veux pas,
The
je
dress
veux
is
pas, je la
fire.
sens pas.
Yeah, the dress is killing it.
I was supposed to be going with him, but I don't think he's gonna be making it. The downtown branch dropped him. Indefinite suspension.
Is that your car?
I don't have a car.
Elle l'a
That's gonna
largué.
be a weird insurance claim.
I'd like for you to talk to him.
Me? Why me?
You're the pep talk guy. You've been through a transition recently yourself. I think he could use some...
Oui, et pourtant on a viré Sonar.
Perspective to join the Z team.
Voilà pourquoi je t'aime pas. Tu m'as fait virer Sonar.
Yeah. The only candidates that make sense are him or Waterboy.
Non, c'est Sonar.
And at the moment, it's close. Mostly, I'd like you to get him out of the parking lot. Oh, and tell him to stop with the edible arrangements. He keeps sending them, but with all melon.
That's disgusting. I'll see what I can do.
Bah, c'est bon le melon. Du melon. Du melon. Du melon. Du melon. Oh là là, ça va pas fort, hein. C'est qu'il est un peu con, mais alors là, désespéré.
Man. How you doing, bud?
I have been better, Robert Robertson.
The blonde blazer and I have ended our relationship.
Yeah.
She ended it.
I heard about that. I'm sorry for your, your loss.
It's very abrupt. One moment we were savoring uni straight from the urchin. Next moment, I'm contemplating flying into the sun, absorbing all its energy and casting this planet into infinite darkness so that I never have to see her or anyone else.
C'est Outer Wilds ou quoi la team? C'est lui qui a créé là?
I would be free of the torment in my
Putain,
soul.
bien.
And maybe then I could quiet my mind.
Oui, on va relate.
Destructive thoughts.
I've been there. Last time I went through a breakup, I drank mezcal till I blacked out. When I came to, I was in a dark void surrounded by the smell of rot, and I was convinced I'd died and turned into a zombie. Turns out I passed out at a urinal and somebody threw me in a dumpster.
Thank you for sharing that. You are sad enough to understand. Do you think there is someone else? Perhaps another lover could be the cause of all this. Maybe she met a person. An actual person. I am not a person, I just resemble one anatomically.
Look, I don't think there is, but even if there was, wouldn't that just make you feel worse?
I prefer when problems have solutions.
That's the thing, man. Phenomena. Man. Her feelings aren't a problem for you to solve. Blazer makes her own decisions, because that's what people do. She's her own person, and she decided she doesn't want to be with you.
Perhaps the fact that I am not a person is contributing to my confusion.
You're not a person?
Yeah,
What are
listen,
you?
You know what? While we're at it, no more edible arrangements. They're just stinking up the break room.
It seems I have much to learn about people. Thank you.
Mais qu'est-ce que...
You've given me a great deal to think about.
Je comprends pas ce qu'il est du coup. Si c'est pas un
Actually,
genre.
no, not anytime. Just sometimes. Occasionally. Barely any.
It seems the velocity with which I sat up has shot shards of glass into your chest.
Well, shit.
Non. Bébou. Eeeh.
Parking lot. Didn't think taking a desk job would have me bleeding this often. What are you doing here?
J'ai
I had a
chaud.
dream last night that we were fucking.
Ah, j'aime bien le style.
Usually I don't remember my dreams, but this one was pretty vivid.
Parce que j'avais mis une
What did I
capote.
do?
C'est vraiment sage man.
Finish.
Not what I asked.
Ça c'est pas vrai.
We're talking about me. So this is why you've been acting so weird all day.
I'm doing that thing where I imagine being with someone, you know? See how it feels, how it looks. You know, like trying on a dress.
You were there.
I could have been.
Hmm.
I could be anywhere.
And you chose to be here.
Oh, sorry. I tried not to. I tried not to do that.
Don't worry about it, water boy.
Sound.
Bathrooms are for shitting after your first coffee and picking shrapnel out of your chest. Not for whatever this is.
Ugh! You ruined this for me!
It's. I know. My apologies.
Wesh. Aquaboy, il est dans le chat ou quoi?
Et moi aussi, je peux avoir un peu de... Je peux avoir un peu de... Un peu de sandwich. Oh, merci.
You're a menace.
Ok, back on the job. Oh, l'ambiance va être délétère. Hein. Je sais pas si vous avez entendu. Oh là 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 là.
Sonar's gone. This is a load of shite.
On est bien d'accord.
He may have been a pervert, but he was our pervert.
Well, I'm glad you're still with us.
I am glad as well. Strange.
Help us get this stuff out of the dorm, yeah? You guys do that kind of stuff, right?
Mais vraiment, je suis pas un déménageur, moi. Hein. C'est elle qui est la plus forte. Allez.
All right.
I've been hearing a lot about some guy named Chad. I think he's trying to summon a demon.
Wait, wasn't there a cult of Chad?
Chad? Yeah.
Malevola, do you know where this church is located? You can take a look and...
Oh, not interested. After cutting sound out? No, you're on your own.
Maybe we send someone in.
Prétendre,
Have
ok.
them pretend to be interested in joining the cult.
I'll take this one.
Ah non, tu peux pas, t'es en train de faire un déménagement. Attends.
Oh my god, hello? Is this SDN? I was driving along the coast and this guy in front of me just drove right off the side into the water.
Réanimer des gens? Ok. Les emmener d'urgence. Donc toi. Ok.
You persistent.
Il faut des vivaces là. Allez, je vous envoie tous les deux.
I love looking at the beautiful homes in this city and knowing I'll never own one.
Il y a 3 à 7 dans la zone de danger UCT. Rétablir la paix au match de foot en utilisant vos points. Faites partir les fauteurs de troubles. On va envoyer les deux bourrins. Ok.
I love a symmetrical stage picture.
Allez. Ça part.
Luke, can I borrow your mask? I got a date tonight at this masquerade thingy.
You may not.
See, this is why people think you're a bitch.
Ah, fallait être résistance.
You're braver than
Ok, ça passe.
Fine. Return it tomorrow morning, or I will cut out your tongue.
Say less, baby.
Ah, et le pourcentage, c'est si j'ai bien choisi, quoi.
Where the hell'd you go? Job's not finished. Dude, we need you to bring everything up to our new place.
You got it, bud.
Franchement, j'ai envie de l'envoyer tout seul. Allez.
Oculus? Who the fuck said that?
Le conducteur, emmène-le en volant à l'hôpital. Tant pis pour le permis.
Driver
Ok.
shaken, but safe. Bitch.
Parfait.
Watch me burn.
Bon, on va lui donner un peu d'intelligence à cet idiot. Quoique, faut qu'il soit meilleur là. Faut qu'il fasse la bagarre, les gens. Là, j'attends un max, mais.
Hey, this is Jason from Nostalgia Alley. Someone just dropped off a box of games with a note saying there's a bomb inside one of them. Can you send someone?
Yeah.
Ah bon? Identifié et désarmé.
Graceful, but deadly.
No, I think Coop's got this all on her own.
Bah oui.
We need you to send somebody else. This is too much.
We're out of somebody's. You're gonna have to make do.
You sound like my first manager. I fired his ass.
This is feckin' bullshit. We can't be
Je
everywhere
sais.
at once.
Shit, y'all, I can barely even be in one place.
It's clear that cutting so
Je sais.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but Coop has a point.
Noted. Can you just hang in there a little longer? I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, well, Karma's a fucking bitch, huh, Robert?
Je sais.
And here I thought I was getting rusty.
Alors, quelqu'un vient de déposer. Quel jeu cache la bombe? C'est rien, moi. Man Bomber. Détruit. Elle l'aura pas. Elle va exploser.
I thought we had it.
Hey, Ray here. We got another teardown for you. Mind coming down and doing some demo?
Détruire les vestiges d'une maison.
Consider it done.
Allez. Putain, elle veut rien faire.
Interesting.
Sometimes I look at a tree and think, I could burn you down. You're not better than me, tree. You know, they just have like a superior vibe about them.
Contrôler le domicile, offrir une assistance médicale, être prêt à le dissuader. Écoute, j'ai 2 charismes là.
Nothing beats the original.
Allez.
This will have to do.
Hey, it's Rory Casey. One of my teachers called out. There has to be someone at STN who can teach a jiu-jitsu class.
Swift as the knife, sharp as my knife.
Allez-y, hein. Oh là là, c'est dur, les amis, c'est dur, hein. Oh waouh. Allez, reviens. Ah putain, ils vont être blessés. Bah oui, tu m'étonnes. Attends. C'est horrible, c'est horrible, c'est horrible. Faut qu'on lui donne de la vigueur à elle. Ok. Ah oui. J'ai personne. On peut passer. Ok, c'est bon. Bien joué, la team.
I know y'all saw that. Don't be jealous. It's okay.
Toi, on va te donner plus de combat. Là, je veux qu'ils soient tous un peu plus forts, là. Bon, ça, à mon avis, ça va être un fail. Oh non! Let's go! Allez!
Quite the improvement.
We need backup at the mall. Dozens of youths just started rushing us and looting the shops.
Ah là, faut que j'augmente ses stats à elle, hein. Sans faire usage de la force. Bon courage, hein.
So, just to be clear, no torching the teens, right?
Aller de cinéma en cinéma. Ah, faut qu'elle soit toute seule. Identifier et désarmer la bombe. Encore une bombe.
Why? Teamwork slows me down, dude.
We try to do it ourselves, but then I remember
Perturbation?
why do it when you can make someone else
Assembler les meubles. Oh, on n'en peut plus. Allez, il est plus malin.
Oi, my eyes are down here.
Quel cinéma on doit fouiller en premier? J'en sais rien. Ok. Dans les bouches d'aération. Active la clim pour geler la bombe. Putain. Bah oui, elle est trop...
Still beats my high school GPA.
Elle est à terre?
Phenomenon still on the 405, just past him.
J'ai loupé un appel.
Shaking his fist at cars to sadly directing traffic.
Well, at least he's putting his newfound pain to use.
I had no idea Blazer was such a heartbreaker.
Is that surprising?
Quelqu'un a besoin...
Didn't think she had it in her.
Maybe you shouldn't be so quick to judge people.
Gross. You sound just like her.
You calling me a heartbreaker?
Allez, vas-y. C'est une énorme blague. Je peux pas travailler comme ça. Putain. J'ai envie de pleurer, hein, je vous jure. Ça me vénère. Bah oui. Ah, c'est bon. Let's go.
Almost feels unfair. Almost.
Allez, bravo. Entraînement de pouvoir. Golem s'étend pour remplir les emplacements vides, augmentant ses stats de 25% par emplacement. Lorsque c'est avantageux, c'est jusqu'à 200%. Ou une fois par période de travail, vous pouvez réinitialiser toutes les stats de golem dans la base de données et redistribuer ses points. Non, on va faire ça. Oui. Allez. J'ai que prisme, on va attendre 2 secondes. Ok. Et ok.
Hey, it's Jerry from Comic Pug. We got a gift of some Mega Man replicas, but with all the bomb threats going on.
Évacuer et inspecter les Mechamen suspects?
I got you.
Non, mais c'est pas du charisme qu'il me faut. Ils sont tous plus bêtes les uns que les autres. Ok.
Ooh, this one's gonna be good.
Putain. C'est la dernière mission peut-être. Quel Mechaman contient la bombe? Mais j'en sais rien. Prime, l'original. Soit c'est l'original, soit c'est moi. Ok. Il vole dans le magasin et tire. Arrête-le avant qu'il n'explose. Saute dessus, enlève ses commandes. L'intelligence qu'il va falloir. Oh putain.
Yeah, I'm just like off my game today.
And that's lunch. Thank fuck.
Ugh, great. I'ma drink my spicy water.
Oh l'enfer.
I knew I had a good feeling about you.
On a gagné des trucs super. C'est cool. Je suis dépité. Qui va gagner en mobilité. Allez. Oh là là, c'était dur, hein. Ok, pause. Putain, le melon.
Still working on that?
Hmm?
Aren't these the best? I love the green ones, the green dew.
All yours. Take the whole thing if you want.
Awesome. My lucky day. I know what's for lunch or dinner. Probably. Now. Sorry, for interrupting your meeting with Invisa.
Oh, god damn it. You threw my noodles away? My initials were literally on the box and everything. Fuck!
I don't read things. Sometimes it's different, like a logo, but it's probably still good.
I don't want
Bah non.
fresh noodles. Wet fart boy.
Eh oh! Eh oh! On bully pas les gens comme ça?
Aim your dick up and water piss it off. That's not... You...
I'm gonna go.
Oh non! De toute façon, on l'aime pas trop flambé.
How
Hein.
would you like to have to walk around work the rest of the day with shit all over you?
I don't know, I don't think about that, because it won't happen. Because I'm not a fucking idiot food thrower awayer.
It was an accident. You don't have to be a bully about it.
Bah non, don't be a bully.
What, you're gonna snitch on me? Motherfucker,
Bah, ça va,
you're just being a soft bitch about it. bully.
Allez.
I'm being a bully.
Oh, allez. Voilà. Ah oui, mais il peut s'en souvenir. Il peut s'en souvenir.
Expecting it to go straight.
Oh, quand tu lui as cramé les sourcils, tu visais bien aussi, hein.
You're gonna choke on this fucking
Hey, Robert, could you...
spaghetti.
Did you eat my lunch? Why would you do that?
I don't want to be a snitch, but Flambe was really hungry. I mean, look at him.
Really?
Yes.
Well, if you're gonna eat it, I wish more of it got into your mouth. Go get cleaned up, then clean this up, then pick me up a BLT from Johnny's, and we'll call it even.
Yes.
Okay, whatever that was. Listen, Robert. Jesus.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a?
Anyway, you talk to Chase. Who's it gonna be? Phenomena Man or Waterboy?
And these two are my only options.
Je veux Sonar.
Oh, yeah. Obviously, we can revisit it, but Waterboy is already a trainee, sorta, and you already know Phenomena Man got cut by DTLA. Thanks for getting him out of the parking lot, by the way. It might also help to get, you know, an actual good person on your team, which I'm positive both of them are.
Phenomena Man.
Je veux Sonar.
I'm worried he has too much time to think right now.
That's... yeah, I feel the same way. He could use a distraction.
So it won't be weird with your ex-boyfriend hanging around?
I mean, he's already
c'est pas le que je
hanging around,
veux.
so he may as well be doing some good, instead of moping around the parking lot crushing cars.
You make a good point.
I'll let him know. You'll see him in the roster for your next dispatch.
Hello, Robert. A moment of your time.
How do you move so quiet?
I float. If it would make you more comfortable, I could remove my clothes as well.
It would not. Look, if this is about picking you for Z-Team, wasn't even a hard decision.
Oh. Oui, il est bête, mais il est gentil. Il est triste, quoi.
But to do good, you need to be doing good. That's what a human person would say.
Yeah, I'm sure some human person would say that. Yeah.
My hug of gratitude seems to have reopened your chest wounds.
That's fine.
Allez. Back on the job. With a new recruit. Et toujours pas de Sonar. Putain, j'ai envie de pleurer. Non, il est pas encore là, Phenomena Man.
We appreciate you doing your best last shift under the circumstances, but we are here to help. More specifically,
Bring Sonar back.
is here to help.
I am here to help.
This is a joke, right?
Really? This guy?
Didn't he also get fired?
Yeah, listen, I know things have been difficult for him lately, but Robert and I
And
believe
for
he will
Sonar
make
too.
a great addition to the team.
Difficult because you dumped him?
Don't mind me.
The mean child is correct. It has
The
indeed
mean
been
child.
difficult since the ending of my relationship with Blonde Blazer. But any opportunity to see her again will make every day easier. I think you've got it backwards, bro.
Ah ouais, c'est triste ça. Hein. Ah ouais, ouais, de fou.
We have reason
Allez.
to believe that Mr. Vanderstank's life will be in danger at a meeting today.
Attends. D'abord, on va faire un entraînement.
To be really working out. I think I could make this training a regular thing, you know?
Ça. Toi, il faut que tu t'améliores. Donc,
Let me do my shit my way. Cool?
il faut se mobiliser rapidement. Dommage. Protéger Willem. Capturer et détenir l'assassin. Il me faut des gens forts et agiles. Fort. Allez, on gagne en agilité s'il vous plaît.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see anyway.
Protéger, capturer, détenir. Et là, sans lui. Allez, On va on en met 3.
What's it gonna be this time?
Ok.
How tall are you, anyways?
I don't know. Depends on the dirt. Depends on the day, baby.
Ah, you lucky
Alors, obtenir de nouveaux clients avec une attitude joyeuse et exaltante. Toi... Oh putain. Bah franchement...
I got a coupon for a free mani at Denise's, but fair warning. Denise is
Alors.
a snitch, so don't tell her nothing.
Ouh, si elle est dans l'équipe, les récompenses sont doublées ou, grâce à ses relations, elle peut révéler le nombre d'emplacements et le type de crime de certaines missions avant qu'elles ne se produisent. Je suis pas sûre de comprendre, donc... Que là, c'est quoi quand elle est en solo? Elle réduit le temps de trajet. Et si elle est en équipe, ça double. Allez. Let's go. J'ai qui là? Besoin d'un héros?
I've got a great opportunity to show the sweeter side of your ex-criminal crew at SDN.
Yeah, I can't believe Sweet Talker went with Emily last season. Him and Carla seem perfect for each other.
Je peux pas. Je peux pas? Ah non, c'est bon. Oh, est-ce que j'utilise tout de suite mon truc?
Shall we dance?
Lead the way.
Ok. Ok. Ils sont en repos. Alors peut-être... Ah putain.
That could have gone a lot worse.
I did not know so much pain could be felt.
Phénoménal n'a besoin que de 2 secondes de repos, let's go. Et si une mission échouée et ratée, oh, il est déprimé. Oh. Ok. C'est drôle, j'aime beaucoup ce pouvoir. Ok, je vais attendre qu'elle aussi elle soit finie, comme ça j'ai tout le monde. Alors, donc... Faut envoyer quelqu'un de charmant et séduisant. Charisme, hein. Aspect physique et les bégettes.
If you were a civvy, what would your job be?
I feel like working at a gas station. Maybe pretty chill.
I fuck with a pet store.
Yeah, right. You hate pets.
Alors,
I hate pets with bad attitudes.
je vais te rajouter du charisme.
Snakes. They're just chilling.
Ok.
That is true. Every snake is chill.
Speaking of pets, I have
Et
recently
toi...
learned of the American opossum. I find it fascinating how it carries its children on its
Bigger.
back. Much like
C'est tes protecteurs.
What are you even talking about, dude? Huh?
Those freaks nasty.
Possums aren't pets, man.
I see.
Je sais pas ce qu'il raconte. Hein. Oh, coucou, bah, excuse-moi, je t'avais pas vu, bienvenue. Comment ça va? On est sur Dispatch. C'est dur. Alors. Bah non. Tu es charme, t'as du charisme. Allez. Et de 5, let's go. Personne ne semble intéressé? Ah, ça va être dur, là. Ça va être un fail total. Vous allez voir. Voilà. Allez. On est sur Dispatch, là. J'aime beaucoup le jeu. Mais c'est dur, et là, je suis pas contente parce qu'ils m'ont obligé à faire un choix que je voulais pas faire. J'ai dû virer quelqu'un. Allez. Vas-y. Et là, on va faire un peu de piratage, tu vas voir. Je sais pas si t'as vu un peu passer des trucs sur le jeu. Il est très cool. Ah putain, il y a un antivirus. Ah. Et celui-là, il va faire quoi? Ok. Et celui-là, il fait ça.
Okay, for real?
Merde. Là, il me faut le code que j'ai pas encore.
Asshole.
Comment ça?
Come on, focus.
C'est dur. Je trouve le bon ordre.
What the
Je
hell?
peux rien faire. Ouais. J'ai pas réussi. Oh là là là
So we
là.
couldn't get past their security.
We?
I
Ouais.
couldn't get past their security. Doesn't mean we give up, no matter who their target is.
A hero to put on a show? We need Terrence the Turtle to beat someone up. For Team Morale.
Encore. Faut quelqu'un de résistant. Résistant et un peu charismatique. Allez.
Can someone Google if cauliflower ear is an STD?
Ugh, this is getting ridiculous. It's time to put an end to this.
Élimination d'assassin. Un peu d'intelligence, s'il vous plaît.
You can ride with me.
Ok. Parce qu'elle voulait plus trop, hein. Éliminer.
Graceful.
Ok. Allez.
New me? Fucking rocks. Robert, I am sensing dissatisfaction amongst my new companions.
Ok.
Is one of his powers
Elle soigne un héros quand elle est envoyée en mission avec. Ok. Et elle ressent ensuite plus 1 de charisme ou de vigueur. Cet effet se cumule. Let's go.
Best heroes at SDN.
The best at pissing everyone off.
Yeah, yeah. The best at crying in
The
the
best
locker
at
room.
leaving a giant crater whenever he takes to the skies.
Get out of your systems. He's not going anywhere.
Ok, he's back.
So there's a mini... No, baby.
Kaiju
Kaiju?
capturé. Il est petit mais quand même fort.
Cute, but like, where's its mom?
On va te mettre toi. Et toi.
Sure,
Allez.
fine. I'm guessing Phenomenon doesn't also turn invisible.
Apologies. I thought I saw a blonde blazer in distress.
Phenomenon.
C'est bon.
I'm at the office.
Oh. I see.
Hello, dispatcher. Would you like to play a little game, perhaps?
C'est.
A brain teaser?
Ugh, I hate this asshole. Careful, he's tricky.
His name's Brain Teaser. How tricky can he be?
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Vite. On dirait qu'il veut jouer. Food. Non? Ils sont deux, ils sont trois, ils sont... Ok, faut que je l'envoie avec Malévola la prochaine. Ok.
I must excuse myself to cry. Again.
Vas-y, on va voir. Essayons.
Answer my riddles.
Les énigmes. Faut que je lui envoie quelqu'un d'intelligent? Eh bah, on est foutu. Ah. Putain.
Let me at him.
Let's maybe not start a war here with an elite assassin organization.
Il est déprimé?
Try asking them to leave nicely.
Alors. Alors, convaincre le chef de quitter Torrance. Conclure un accord.
Need a light?
Swift as the night, sharp as my knife.
Just two baddies being baddies.
You are very loud.
There's a retired SDN hero at Kryptonite causing problems. Can you get him out of there?
Oh, je peux pas la
Shit,
mettre.
Astroman. I remember him when I was a kid.
Alors, tenter de remonter le moral aux retraités.
Before I joined the Z team,
Encaisser les bouteilles.
He had to borrow one of mine.
Hop. Allez.
sweet ass.
Good shift, fellow heroes.
Perturbation.
Is my
Ok.
intercom malfunctioning? Can anyone hear me?
The Wolf Inside Us. On a déjà vu ce jeu tout à l'heure. Et ton film préféré, c'est Standing Alive. C'est toi qui as mis les bombes et compagnie. Ok. Ton ennemi, c'était Megaman Prime. Heureusement que j'ai une assez bonne mémoire. Hein. Let's go.
Well, a deal's a deal, dispatcher. Come and get me. I've been waiting downstairs in the lobby for at least 30 minutes.
C'est bon, il est arrêté? Let's go. Oh, il me fatigue, Superman, là, Phénoménoman. Man.
That's handled.
Let's go, girls. J'ai plein d'améliorations. Ok, alors toi. J'ai besoin d'un peu de cerveau ici. Ok. Toi. Oui, c'est ça. Toi, on va continuer le charisme. Faut que tu sois un peu maligne, parce qu'il me faut des gens malins, et enfin charismatiques et intelligents. Ok. Toi. Toi, on va renforcer ta mobilité. Ok. C'est bon, t'es revenu, Phénoménoman? Toi, je t'aime bien. On va augmenter aussi ton intelligence. Allez. Ok. Let's go. C'est la fin du shift. Je vais pouvoir ranger mon micro. Je crois bien. Ah, j'aimerais bien soigner un Visimeuf. C'est bon, ça passe, ça passe.
Another day saved, or whatever the fuck.
Ok. Ouh. C'est pas fou, hein. 40% de fail. C'est décevant. Eh oui, on a plus Sonar.
Dumb shit criminal buddies, you're also forcing them to work with
One of the greatest heroes of all time.
I was gonna say sad sack son of a bitch, but yeah, let's go with yours.
He's a sad son of a bitch.
Let's go with mine.
Hey kid, love you.
Love you too, Ark.
Don't fuck this up.
Daddy issues.
Eh oui, je vais jouer la balle avec toi. On peut jouer. Vas-y, on peut jouer un peu là.
Hey, honey.
Oh là là, tout le monde a une famille et lui il est tout seul. He's all alone.
Et tu crois que je vais aller chercher le ballon, mais t'es con ou quoi?
Qui est con? Il est con ce chien, il est trop mignon. Il est tout gros, tout con. Please close the fucking door. Oh là 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 là, il est en train de se faire du mal. Lui. Bah oui, oui, bah bon.
Earlier that day, Blazer and I had breakfast at the rim of an active volcano. Then we made love.
I don't need to hear your sex stories.
Oui,
We
non.
never had intercourse. My alien genitals were not compatible with hers.
That's cool.
Why is that cool?
It's not. What were you saying?
She was the only thing I was passionate about. Her voice, her eyes, her disposition, her whole of her remarkable corporeal form.
How do you know she's the only thing you're passionate about if you haven't
Mais
found
oui.
anything else you're passionate about?
Your logic with that statement may be flawed.
All I'm saying is, what you need to do is find the next thing for you to be passionate about. Because it's out there.
Thank you. I wish to make love to you again.
Again?
Ah
But this
d'accord.
time I will avoid squeezing the blood out of you.
Donnez une seconde chance à Phénoménoman. Man. Ah.
What you watching?
Typecast 2. You spying on me?
Technically, you're still on the clock. Didn't peg you as a rom-com fan.
If I'm on the clock, you shouldn't be pegging me with anything, Robert. That's extremely inappropriate. Especially since I'm usually the picker, not the peggy.
Noted. Well,
Hey.
tell me how it is. I wanted to see that one.
There's still
At least 20 minutes of trailers. I always forget what I'm watching by the time the movie starts.
Same. You going solo?
I'm a loner, Robbie. A rebel. That night, feel bad asking people to pay when I'm just gonna sneak in. The only lame thing is I can't get snacks.
Floating buckets of popcorn do tend to draw a lot of attention.
Ah, but I miss it. I miss popcorn.
C'est bon, il est bien en conversation privée. Ah, I have to make a choice. Non, non, on va voir la... Mais oui. Non, un Visi-meuf. Toujours tous les jours. She's a rebel. Non, l'autre, elle vient de rompre. Oui, voilà, rain check.
I
Allez.
didn't see the first one. Can you give me a recap?
It's against the law for you to be watching like this.
Actually, it's illegal for you to be filming. I don't need the whole thing, just enough to know what's going on.
Okay. It's about this struggling actress who gets this big role from a movie star that mistakes her for his, like, childhood best friend.
Allez.
Then he realizes her secret, but it turns out he has a secret too.
Ah. Il est si cute.
You didn't hear any of that?
Yeah, no. It's probably fine, though.
So, what are we, like, friends now? Or is this some sort of team building exercise?
We're getting to it.
I think we're getting there, don't you?
I haven't decided yet.
Would have been nice to know before I spent $86.
I'm not gonna fuck you just
$80.
bucket of corn.
Can you just be normal for like a second?
En plus, elle a ce piercing. Je l'aime bien.
You first.
This is nice. What were you gonna say?
Do you like Sour Patch Kids?
I fucking love Sour Patch Kids.
Cool. Me too.
Mauvais timing. Let's go! Oh là là, quelle journée, mes amis, quelle journée. Je suis très colère. J'ai perdu Sonar, que j'aimais beaucoup. C'est une chauve-souris. Alors, 45% des joueurs l'ont ajouté. Ah oui, tout le monde veut un Vizimouf, même si son nom il est nul. Ah, les gens sont sympas, ils préviennent. Pour Sophie Marceau, ça c'est bien. Et 71% des gens ont choisi les spaghettis. Bah oui, on lui rend la monnaie de sa pièce. Ah oui, bah le bébé Kaiju, je sais même pas ce que c'est, je vais regarder après. 80% des joueurs et vous n'avez pas empêché Casse-Tête de détruire les 3 commerces. Bah oui, mais c'était dur. Ah. Par contre, on est peu à avoir répondu à toutes les questions. Let's go. Eh oui, c'est le meilleur court-pif. J'ai fait mieux que 10% des joueurs, ouais. J'ai activé les pouvoirs d'un héros 28 fois. Ça, je suis pas sûr de comprendre, en vrai. Coucou le bat. Le décor change? Non, le décor n'a pas changé. Pas depuis la dernière fois où t'es venu, en tout cas. Je crois. Oh, t'arrives à la fin. Non, non, pas depuis que t'es venu, hein. C'est parce qu'il fait plus sombre, du coup la lumière ressort mieux. Mais je suis dégoûtée parce que ma lumière à moi, là, mon ring light, je peux plus le régler. Je peux plus augmenter ou baisser la lumière. Bref. C'était une bonne journée encore, mais je suis un peu vénère, hein, dans Dispatch. J'ai perdu mon chouchou. Mais j'ai hâte du prochain, de la suite. Hein. Ouh là là.